No, I don't got no dollar bills, and no, I don't need no dollar bills. I don't need no dollar bills. The ladies wanna kiss me, and I'm just then let me listen, 'cause I don't need no effing money. No, I don't need no effing money. They make love to me. I don't need no effing cash. I don't need no credit cards. I don't need no DJ. I just invite them over to my house, and they let me make love to them on the bed. In the big fat mansion. I love those sexy ladies that come free. I'm not rich, but I don't give a shit. Yeah, I love those sexy ladies that come free. I don't have to pay them. I pay them dollar bill. I just invite them over for dinner, and they're on the menu. Yeah, I kiss those hot ladies on the lips. I kiss those hotties on the lips. Yep, I just invite them over for dinner and make love to them in my car, in my Corvette, or my Cadillac. It's the big bad wolf. How, how. We ride in the sky, yep. Whatever, I really don't give a shit. But the ladies come free, 'cause they find me so sexy. I'm the sexy man, and I don't have to pay a single dime. I don't have to pay a single cent. And I can do this better than any Eminem song, because I can play the guitar. He can't play the guitar for shit that's so shady. Oh, it's the big bad wolf, and I can still rock it, rock it. Rock it down, rock it down, rock it down. Rock the guitar, and the ladies were made for me, not for my money. And they will take off their clothes, and they got no panties on, and they will to shake their ass, and they will play to kiss them on the lips and touch their tatas. How, it's big bad wolf. Here I come on the drum. Thank you for 273 subscribers, but I want more. But here I come on the drum, the snare drum, and the other bands I will use. That's the big bad wolf. How, how. I can rock the club with my instruments and the acoustic guitar. I want to. I make the ladies twerk, twerk, twerk their ass. I make them kiss me, big bad wolf. And I don't need any money to get an epic kiss from the sexy ladies, or to get them undressed, or to get them in the sheets. There's the big bad wolf. Yeah. And I can rock the whole damn house. And I can rock the whole damn club. Push bang pow, witty witty to the whack. But this ain't no country shit. Yeah. And I make my music real. The auto-tune sucks. It's the big bad wolf. And I don't have to pay for any of my dates with credit card or cash or check, cause that's the big bad wolf. I love to kiss the ways on this and first kiss on this. 1, 2, 3, dip. Oh, it's the big bad wolf. Hasta vista, baby. But we're right in the sky. It's the big bad wolf and the nasty ladies. Remember, you write it for free. You write to kiss me for free.